wowe nakubwiye ucyumva ari Sankara wicaro rye show filime yiswe Brick Slayer Vertical. Brick ni tafari, Slayer muri make muko mwubatsi. Millennium Media GT Business Group Samano Production once again. Ko dutangiye tayari dutangira munyanza gace kitwa Thessaloniki muri Greece. Hehe mu Bugiriki Greece Thessaloniki haruwazaga haramwe cyangwa handi za mu cyuma 208 mugabo yambaye akagofero bwaceye neza.
I'm alone just as we agreed.
Ati ndijyanye ngo twabyumvikanye.
Of course you are.
Ati cyane ko kuri wenyine.
You're very ambitious.
Wa mugore rwose urambitious ufite gahunda mu byukora.
And you know this story is gold.
Kandi none inkuru ngiye kuguha ni zahabu. Mugabo asanga amuze ni inkuru sizi inkuru bwoko ki?
Did you bring it?
Ese wagizanye?
No fan of US intelligence.
Ati humura rwose nanjye ntago nkunda ubutasi bw'abanyamerika.
You're a little short on the details.
Ati humura ndagwa detail.
We met.
Ati ubwo duhugiye ko ni muri twika. Mugabo arangije mbanze umuntu bahuye ari umunyamakuru. Ati nanye nango ubutasi bw'abanyamerika. Madame arangije bana ibyandiko.
How did you?
Does it matter?
Wabikoze ute unati ibyo nago bikureho nakuye amakuru. Cyangwa usaba kirira inkuru hanze.
You can't have them.
Ushatse wana bifotora?
You can take photos.
Bifotore washaka posting ahantu hose hose. Madame arangije bana yo telefoni. Tangira gufotora. Bakaba basa nk'ari abasirikare batari ba mercenaries. Mafoto atandukanye binyamakuru bite.
Camel could destroy the US.
Ati none byo tugiye gupostinga birarimbura Amerika aho bigeze.
Yes.
Cyane.
Many will die.
Abenshi baraza gupfa, many will die. Mudamu na arafotora. Ko mugambo bwanga benshi barapfa. Vana yimbunda. Mudamu.
And you called me.
Ariko ni wa mpamagaye.
You want the story out there.
Washaka nkiri inkuru hanze sibyo?
I do.
Ni jya gwamagaye koko.
Unfortunately for you.
Kandi nabikoze ku bwawe.
I want to be the one to do the telling.
Ahubwo ari ushaka kuza kwivugira inkuru. Tayari. Oh. Sasa ni bwatinze.
CIA murdering journalists.
Sasa kwitangaza makuru na kintu cyatangiye kuvuga ati CIA imagine yica abanyamakuru.
German journalist Greta.
Hari umudamu umudage yitwa Greta
Becker was found dead.
Bamusanze muri hoteli yo mu Bugiriki.
Sparking protests across.
Nta kindi byateje byatangiye guteza imyigaragambyo mu Burayi hose muri Europe. Bavuga ati amaze gupfa umunyamakuru wa gatatu. Ku banyamakuru bose bagiye bavuga kuri US intelligence CIA. Baba bagenda bakora icyo bita analyze kutangaza makuru.
Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Sasa umwe mu banyamakuru mu bantu mpuzamahanga Foreign Affairs w'umugiriki yagize icyo bivugaho. Witwa Costas.
No punches when asked about the incident.
Yavuze ngo ibingibi rwose ntago bikwiye.
For decades the United States
rwose imyaka imaze rwose Amerika imaze igihe yitwara nabi, yitwara ku bindi bihugu byitwaraho nabi.
The days of the CIA treating Europe like the Wild West.
Iminsi ya Amerika cyangwa za CIA kwitwara kuri ku Burayi bwose ukishatse isa nkaho ishaka kontrola ibindi bihugu ntibwatinze. Tugaruka kuri CIA headquarters ku biro bikuru bya CIA muri Langley, Virginia. Sasa haruwaje arasaba abanyamakuru biri kwitwa kwa CIA iri kwica abanyamakuru bano bakora ubusesenguzi ku bikorwa bya CIA bose bari mu Burayi. Ibwatinze mu gitondo cya kare Arakani na Dobrev mwibuke muri Vampire Diaries.
Hey.
Yewe biti.
You need to show up.
Agiza ko bugaragaye mu kazi.
As you have no life.
Ase kuna ko ijoro nta buzima ufite ntujye uryama.
Focus.
Ati yomoze nijoro abandi batashye bimfasha gufokasinga.
Jack and shit.
Ati ana bijana mufitiye.
We're staying at has no CCTV.
Ati mudamu witwa Greta Becker na kamera zamufasha yiciwe.
So I've scanned the streets around and the
Ati nakuri izindi kamera zo ku mihanda.
station opposite.
Mfatana ni mashusho kuri za train station ku mihanda ya gari ya moshi.
I did see a nun traveling with a full drum kit.
Ati rwose na mansa rigeze mbona mohana ariko nari ndafata ka flash.
Said I already checked those.
Ati batsenga ko muzanga bishaka kunda TV ndabyikorera ndareba ama video yose yaho mudamu yapfira imanda ya hoteli. Waundi Greta Becker. Nibwatinze. Uko bagatashye wa mukobwa Kate aza hakuno. Akomeza ijoro ryose. Areba ku mihanda za gari ya moshi. Arebye neza abona kuri gari ya moshi hari uwaje yambaye akagofero byitonze uko abanyeshuri bafataga selfie bavuye muri gari ya moshi arasikaninga n'akarazuminga aregereza mu ifoto atera zoom hari umugabo yambaye akagofero uri inyuma mwanda wera
Sir, I've been trying to reach you. Check your
ati rwose afana nagerageje kuguhamagara
check your email.
urebe kuri email yawe
Breakfast.
ati nimo nafata bya mu gitondo
This is urgent.
nyakubaye birihutirwa jya kuri email yawe urebye nakoherereje ubutumwa bugufi bose nabakozi ba CIA rangije za kuri machine hasi nibiki ndi kureba
Security footage from the
ni kamera zo ku mihanda
Thessaloniki train
none
station
ka gace ka Thessaloniki mu Bugiriki
2 days ago.
iminsi ibiri ishize
Our guys already combed this. Why are you
ariko bagenzi banjye barabimpaye
wasting my time?
kuki muri byangiza umwanya wanjye unyoreza ifoto bamaye kera
Because they missed this.
bakohereje video ariko hari ibintu utabonyemo ubwaza hakuno
Victor Radek.
harimo umuntu witwa Victor Radek kuzuminga neza hari umuntu wari uri inyuma y'abasore bifotozaga
You told Thessaloniki.
I haven't told
bivuze ngo abakozi bacu bari muri Thessaloniki
anyone.
ati nawe ndabwira
What do you know about him?
none se n'icyo umuzi
Most of his file was redacted. So
ati byandiko byo barabisibye
Billion born in Greece, but
aba basore bavukiye mu Bugiriki
up all over.
arangije kuri nawe
Died
apfa amezi 18 ashize
18 months ago. They never found his body.
usibye ko ntabwo wabonye umurambo we sasa wa mugabo Victor Radek barace wa munyamakuru Beka bivuga ko muri CIA ngo amaze amezi 18 apfuye
He was a covert CIA operative,
atuye umugabo yakoze akorera CIA mu buryo bw'ibanga
intermediary between the Greek and Russian.
ati twamwohereje kujya kwica abamafiya b'abarusiya n'abagiriki mu myaka ya kera
Came for us over there.
sasa ubu nicyo gihe twongeye tumukurikirana tugaruka muri Philadelphia USA sasa wa mugabo Radek ngo yigeze gukorera CIA mu myaka ya kera ayiga abamafiya b'abarusiya n'abagiriki araka Aaron Eckhart nagarutse muri aka masaha mu gitondo ari muri Philadelphia byukiye mu kazi nk'abandi bose tayari munyanze umugabo n'umwubatsi aza kwishansiye tondo yego
Yeah.
cyane rwose pe ndavuga nibyo
We had more guys that would help.
abari benshi ariko ntacyo
Yeah, hold on a sec.
ako naza muri biro
Can I help you?
nagufasha
Evil.
ati ni Steve Vale none
I'm the bricklayer.
ati ni je mwubatsi waje ari naryo zana rya filime Bricklayer bwatinze aza kunyubako hejuru umupfundi wese bafite udukoresho twibanze umwiko hakuno hano no gucomoramo amatafari yagiye yangirika atera amayandi namunubi yiwe tayari genda yinduranya amatafari masaha y'akagoroba abakozi bose ba government aza muri kapoze
The number 5 with
ati nyemo byo nkunda kurya rwose murabizi nimero 5
that hold the peppers.
ataraka ibyo kurya arahise bivuga
Yes, sir.
What are you?
mugabo arangije murashaka icyano babakozi ba CIA bavuye Langley Virginia bataza muri Philadelphia
And an old friend stopped by to say hello.
yewe twari inshuti zakira tukatuje gusuhuza
Is that what we are?
niyo mpamvu muri hano se
Friends, enemies, in our business, there's no distinction.
mu kazi ka CIA abanzi n'inshuti bisa nkaho byose ntaho bitaniye
Someone's trying to blackmail the CIA.
bisa nkaho ari umuntu ushaka gusebya CIA ayisiga izina ribi
They're sending messages with bodies attached.
barimo barahereza ubutumwa buherekejwe n'imirambo
All journalists who have made careers going after U.S. intelligence abroad.
ati barimo barica buri munyamakuru wese wigeze agerageza kwinjirira CIA asa nk'uzana ubusesenguzi bwinshi kuri CIA ayivugaho nayo bari kumwica kugira ngo byitirirwe CIA ko ari irimo irica abanyamakuru
They're trying to make it look like the CIA is doing the killing.
barimo baragerageza kugaragaza ko CIA ari irimo irica abanyamakuru
Whoever's doing the blackmailing possesses classified information
ati byanga byakunda umuntu urimo urakora ibi ngibi n'usanga afite amakuru ahagije kuri CIA
that could bring down our entire global network.
ni ukugira ngo ashyire hasi entire global network aho CIA hose ikorera ayisiga izina ribi
We think it's Victor Radek.
kandi turimo turacyakura kuri murabikora ari Victor Radek
Radek's one of the most dangerous men I've ever known. He
ati Radek niwe muntu umubiri ngeze mura naye kuri iyi si
never killed innocents.
usibye ko Radek nubwo yicaga abantu nigeze yica inzirakarengane
I watched them die.
ati namubonye umunsi yapfaga Sasa unagaza yuko Radek ari muzima.
None of this tracks.
Nta nubwo wamenya nawe ari rwose nziko yapfuye. Arangije.
Recognize this pretty face?
Uyu mugabo wabumwibuka.
Boris Popov.
Ati ndamuzi.
Russian smuggler dead.
Yari rwose umurusiya akunda gucuza za forode. Yavugaga amagambo mabi.
Popov died in a boating accident.
Ati imyaka 2 ishize yapfiriye muri accident y'ubwato.
Outside of the port of Thessaloniki.
Yari ari ku cyambo cya Thessaloniki.
Accident.
Yari impanuka.
Right.
Cyane.
Was a hit.
Ariko yarishwe.
Performed by Radek.
Yishwe na Radek.
Commissioned by the CIA.
Kandi yaratumwe na CIA.
This photo of Popov was found at the scene of Greta Becker's murder.
Ati ifoto yaje gusangwa aho wamenyamakuru Greta Becker yiciwe.
You know what this means, don't you?
Ese nidizera ko ibyo nsumuga ubisobanukiwe. Radek yicu umuntu imyaka 2 ishize amaze kwicira mudamu Greta Becker w'umudage wari umunyamakuru ahita afata ifoto y'umugabo yici imyaka 2 ishize arayasiga.
Radek is back.
Mushaka ko Radek se yazutse.
He's got secrets to tell.
No longer just a cursory fact finding. We need to bring him in. That's why I want you to go to Greece. With her.
Sir.
You know, it's contacts, networks.
I can brief someone else. Someone with more experience.
We don't know who's compromised. Right now, only the 3 of us know that Radek is alive. It stays that way.
Son, I'm glad with the agency. I can't even enter Greece legally.
This isn't sanctioned bail. Working around Greeks and Interpol. As well as our own people.
Sir, I really think that you should reconsider sending someone a little bit more credentialed.
I agree. She wouldn't last 24 hours on the ground.
I was talking about you.
Your fuck up, Vale, and you need to fix it. Before he starts coming for you.
None Radek yagarutse guhangana na CIA uyu agomba kumuhiga hakiri kare nawe ataramwivugana.
Unless of course you want to do it for your country.
Kandi kibaye byiza wabikora bikorera igihugu cyawe.
I'm done with my country.
Nge n'igihugu cyanjye twararangizanyije.
Fix your own fucking mess.
Nubundi muzanye mu wundi mwanda ni wongeye gukemura nta kundi. Umuntu nivuganye kuba yazutse. Nanjye agiye kumpiga. Va nimero 2. Yirirwa yibumbira amatafari yabaye umufundo wari umukozi wa CIA asanga umuntu ngacuruza inyanya ngo mwisoko hepfira Nyabugogo kumbe ni ba nimero do iryo joro rimwe tayari umugabo sasa nawe kweri nambara yagiye acamo byinshi yagiye acamo wari umunsi mwari ku mazi bwana azazagaze musuza wamwita uncle ngo nkunda kubumba amatafari kumba dore wa mugabo Radek yarafite umugore n'abana nziza bitaga uyu mugabo Vale ngo ni uncle wabo barabana bande ba Radek barangije bafata agafoto arabyibuka bose bakoreraga CIA tirawo sasumuru bavu tayare sasa bamubwiye ngo mugezi wa Radek ubwo ari muzima naraguhiga masasu muri iryo joro rimwe nta kabunda naki bamuhaye iry'urubavu tayari banaga kapuke fata hakuno scotch arihambira maraso rekere kuvu no kubaho kamajeshi fata umugozi dangije gahunda tayari paka hasi bana mikigozi nakubwiye once soldier raise command abaye umusirikare rimwe mutima uhora uri wa wundi fata kuno cyafime dangije yabiri nete bambara imara reberamo bagenzi be bamuteye sinzana banyoherejeho maze nabo buri umuntu hakurya sha baba raka nyuma y'umusore rimwe amiyaga acaho piti nyundo n'amiyaga etsimba hakuno kiramo irindi sasu nagege kasike bati tafari mugabo urarame tafari ry'agahanga n'amiyaga bayo barambarana tayari sabiti nyundo yewe abangayira muri abasore gisore biti nyundo mu ntoki gifata fera beto yewe fera beto y'ibitugu bagabo bata fera beto turore yewe rangije ekira cupa bagabo ziragigira bose abasore yarashaje ariko rangije afata ya metero bapimisha imyenda afata metero mwijosi vuba jobira korora umusenzi munagamo hakuno bagabo barariwe amena beto abagabo barariwe amaze kumena beto saa tuzasubira wowe kireguka usenze sana reba neza niba nta wundi kumbe papagasi kugera abona bagenzi be banayo ka pisto kumbe vaila na hafi nawe baragigira fata yawa data we umwiko afata mwiko mu rubavu mwiko namufundo vira maho yawe sasa bagabo bati tafari nakuvira maho akuvira maho kagabo baragigira bari kuri etaje hejuru fata hakuno kigabo kimwipangarikaho kigabo uri murakorera nde Radek wa mugenzi Victor Radek yakwereje inasho sends his regards parika nabi akamenya ko bano nabo batumwe na Radek ariyo baramubwiraga kumango ngo ajye guhiga ajye mu bugiriki ariko nawe kubera parika hejuru y'ikigabo baramanukana paka munsi sasa bari kuri cya sanseri bazamuramo imicanga baracyagigira naho rubanda bari amabuye bagabo ntago bumva cya moteri kizamura esanseri nacyo ko bakicundaho bagabo databwe sasa ano aracuwambaye rangije ambira ikigabo hakuno kureba neza azamukira hano ku ruhande moteri yacika turore paka hasi uwo yaragiye guhiga ataranabitekereza amwoherereza intashyo namwe murebe indashyo za gisirikare bwatinze umugabo hakuno yari yanze kujya mu bugiriki ati uragenda buforode kaga kobwa biratunguranye bwa hindi intekerezo zawe
cut yourself shaving
nta na gahunda ufite yo kwiyogoshesha yewe ngiye gusura n'ubundi inshuti za kera
Oh, you brought your tools. Can you
twaje ibikoresho byawe by'ubwubatsi
take this seriously?
ntabwo ujye wigira nk'akazi kari seriye
Never do a job without my tools.
ntabwo njya nkora akazi kanjye ka CAN afite ibikoresho byanjye
Zero.
ndi umufundi ntabwo byumvikana
Not building a chimney.
ugiye guhiga abantu ntabwo ugiye kubaka
If you understood everything I said,
niba basobanukiye ibyo navuze byose
me,
uzaba nkanjye
Mal,
akobwa gafitemo akantu k'agasuzuguro kareba ashaje ntabwo ashoboye igihugu
musician of all time.
hasi kuba akunda gucuranga icyo yabivuyemo abantu nikunda ibintu by'imiziki.
Big assignment for you.
Ataraje kariko kazi kamera ugiye gakomeye.
No supervisors?
Ase na supervisor ufite.
Supervisor.
Nije supervisor bawe nigiri bugucunge. Ndondebera uruhinja ruje gucunga umuntu.
Find Radek.
Yaro gushaka Radek.
I'll give you reports every.
Murano nyivangire mukazajya gwa raporo.
Me space to do my thing.
Kandi nawe umumwanya azajya nkora akazi kanje nukomeza kunkurikirana.
Thing goes right, you just might end up promoted.
Ati umuranje nzabikora neza kandi uzazamuka mu mapeti.
Really funny.
Ya ntago bisekeje.
All likely.
Agakobwa bakazanye nguka mbere supervisor ibyakora byose gatanga raporo.
Because I believe in what we're doing.
Ese kutirana ngo nize ibyo turimo turakora?
Of course you do.
Cyane rwose urabyizeye.
Yes, why?
Ati buri muntu yifuza kuba maneko.
Until they realize the cost.
Ariko iyo maze kumenya igiciro cyabyo nicyo bisaba.
Lost years.
Yaci imyaka kwicuza impamvu.
Relationships.
Iyo ugiye muri kano kazi kaba maneko ubaho nta muryango nta nshuti ntaki.
Pets.
Yawe ukabona n'imbwa wita inshuti. Bwabo bwo mu rugo. Icyo bita kuba maneko. Iyo uyaje gato n'umuryango wawe wawubura.
Operations briefing on our way over. Looks like we're late.
Reka bande nce muri ibyandiko byawe by'amateka yawe yashizemo ekuteri. Umugabo urara barasuzugura. Gatangiye kumushanuka akubita ekuteri araryama. Uraza nango sinzi ngo warize ariko twigiye kuri tere. Gakobwa kagiye mu ndege kasoma. Kumva ko umuntu kari gukurikirana uyuwe babanye ari umuvandimwe n'abana ba Radek bari bazi yuko uyu mugabo ari tonto wabo. Kureba gutya ibivuga kuri uyu mugabo na Radek barabisibye ni veil. Victor Radek yaje kubura umuryango, umugore n'umwana, umugore cyane ko yari atwite umwana wa kabiri. Namakuru arahari kadasobanutse. Umuntu ushaka kore CIA akaba ari ushaka kwiteranya n'isi yose. Muri hari ikibyisha inyuma. Fata flash arya gakopi.
Time to wake up.
Yewe cyo gihe cyo gukanguka. Wakabwira ko gutereka kubise hasi. Aza kugatora. Arakambara. Hari imibigoma bya kera byagoswe. Jazz. Bya zamani.
Miles Davis.
Ezo ngoma zari utwa Miles Davis. Kumbe yanakumvaga. Ati ndege irimo landing. Ati ingai. Philippos Airport. Kozani muri Greece.
You drive.
Ati nori butware. Modoka ni za government tayari. Maniga nacha kwivuna. Baratangira.
Take the next exit.
Yewe cha muyindi nzira.
The GPS has to stand this.
None se GPS ngomba kunyereka aho tugomba kurara. Ndavuze ngo ica handi.
Gentleman's break.
Nje nk'umugabo ni ugomba kumenya aho ngomba kurara. CIA na igomba kumitira aho ngomba kurara. Nkamaneko agomba kwishakira aho ngomba kurara. Pareka ku ruhande. Pareka mbere ko baturasa. Sasa umugabo hanaje aza mu mahegeni. Nuko umuntu wambwira ngo tugiye ahanana akipakira tari nyoto. Aza mu barara. Ko yakaje.
How do you like my pop-up?
Mwana kivandi. Kumbe we after barara azina mu bugira ikibazo man. Yo bro ntabwo nzi kuzagaruka man. Geza kubona mwana man. Mwana maze gusaza.
You're looking good.
Mwana urasa neza bro.
What's a hot yoga?
Ati ni sport za buri munsi umuntu umugabo. Sasa
Little meet you.
abukobwa arazwa agiye kurukira muri hotel abaza kwinyurira muri ba maniga.
They'll stop me.
Kare gakobwa se nakaye. Bakita Kate.
I mean nothing about you either.
Hasi umugabo ko nashino amubwiye.
Patricia is my outfitter.
Ati yitwa Patricia ni inshuti yanjye.
He's with the agency?
Nese nawe akorera CIA.
Family, we serve together.
Ati yitwara akoranye n'umuryango we.
So you're American?
Nawe uri umunyamerika?
Only when I need to be.
Ewe nge ndico nshaka kuba cyo. Hari abantu babanga umuntu babaza ubusa urambaza igihugu cyanjye birakureba.
Bless you, sweet man.
Bwana urakoze kuzanira urumogi bro.
Drugs? You brought
Amuzanira
drugs
ibiyobyabwenge man.
on the CIA transport.
Ugatwafata CIA ukazana mu rumogi.
No. You don't understand.
Oko nagusobanukirwa uburyo dukora deal.
Europe.
Uru rumogi kurugurana mu Burayi burahenze.
Kind of cancer treatment.
Kandi runavura cancer baby.
I'm just
Sasa hari abariga bikina deal zabo. Hano ifitiye akabwa. Ngena mwana muto.
Fanny.
Akira akabwa kanje.
How you doing, girl?
Kabwa sana atinya imbwa ne batazanga.
Loves to hide under the office.
Arangije.
Must be the rats.
Akira hakuno.
the drugs are for the dog.
None uru rumogi muzanye rwaro rw'imbwa. Moko deal tuba turimo ni washona. Ntabwo byari byemewe.
Is that authorized?
Umva akazi ndimo ntunyijirire cyane.
You can't just switch it up on me like this.
Uri murahindura gahunda zatuzanye.
You want to fly under the radar this time?
Umva n'ubundi twazanye n'indege radari zidakurikirana. Bivuze ngo akazi kuntu turi gakorana ariko ngo mu rwamenye ibyo dukora. Hano ntagomba gufata ibyanzuro ku giti cyawe.
You want to find Radek?
Ushaka gushaka Radek?
We need to do it the right way.
Ugomba kubikora mu buryo bwanjye kandi buzima.
You mean your way?
Bivuze ngo nabikora mu buryo bwawe.
You call me.
Mwamamagaye.
That's how I work.
Ngewe niko nkora. Ibyo badatabuje bambwiye ni ngo mbikurikize. Mwana umnyibandi niyo ngiye gufata. C'est tout.
Can you reset us?
Mwana. Data tanyura nyereke ball fit.
What is this?
Bisa ni ibiki?
You got a new look.
Mwana mbuze mwirebere.
YSL Louboutins.
Bisa ni ibiki?
Way too
Odokapu.
for
Kabakera rugendo nuduki.
Losing those covers.
No kujya dushe abo turibo.
Some shipping man.
Amazina yawe baratangira kwita Tolensi.
My wife.
Nanye barayita Tolensi. Urambera umugore.
So now we're married?
None tubaye mariye.
To sell it.
Niko akazi kashe niko dukora.
You're too old to be my girlfriend.
Nibwo buryo bwonyine kujya ducuruza akazi kacu gakomeza kagenda imbere.
Cell phones, passports.
Kwagukore passport nshya telefone nshya credit card nshya permit nshya.
I even put an
Uyajya kujya haru borozo bazitunganyije.
She doesn't like music.
Kobwa nagakunda imiziki. Kirime turi bwambare.
Very romantic.
Haga ibintu biri romantic ariko.
Thank you.
Kandi urakoze.
45.
Ni imbunda banza kugura borozo zakiri kare.
19 round mag.
Ubwo ubwoko bw'imbunda.
How about you?
Naye nta numwe arufata se.
This one won't bite too hard.
Kano kanago karemereye ni ibiro bitagera kuri 2. Shira hasi.
I'll take this one.
Natwara iyi ngiyi. Bitwaye iki? Dore nguruguru. Rangije vayo. No kugenda inga kupura bameze neza. Bitonze.
Here.
Akira hano.
Oh. Less cologne next time.
Ntabwo byoroshye pe. Niko kazi kamane kamera.
Touch.
Arahandi bagiye kubanza kujya.
Bring in the rosebud.
Mane zari cyo chuma bro.
Mercedes.
Ntabwo bagomba kujya na modoka z'indwanguruzo.
AMG.
Dore indi CLS AMG V8.
Boarded out.
Hoteli n'ubwoko bwa V8.
Adding 550 horsepower.
Mwana ifite imbaraga rwose nk'iz'amashofari 5 uburyo yirukanka feri zirakora fresh.
Front and rear fashion.
None batiri ry'imbere rwose ntabwo ryapfa kwangirika.
Protector. There's no airbags.
Rwose nta bya airbags zirimo.
No promises.
Nta nizere ko ibyo usezerana ko bimeze. Uko mu rufunguzo. Patricia urakoze. Mana ugira urugendo rwiza bro.
Reach me if you need me.
Ati rwose ukinyenera ujye umenyesha nk'ikivandimwe. Anafite bamba nigabe acamo imyenda bayishuguritse agiye kubanza ngo ajye mu kirori. Yahurira bakire. Akobwa bajanye karagenda kameze nk'umugore we kugira ngo yinjirire neza amenye Radek baramusanga he. Mukobwa agenda yitsamura.
Oh, you don't like dogs either?
Nabezi kudakunda imbwa.
Don't wipe your hands on a car.
Mura ntugira ikibazo. Biraza gushira. Maniga fatiraho. Baza muri gace ka Thessaloniki. Muri Greece. Ngaba Thessaloniki. Tayari. Bakageze hakuno bajana rwose ari VP madafatano kubako kabano umuntu ari mu bukwe yifunze waramubona nkajya mu gacuruza inyanya cyangwa indagara isabaza cyumba babakiriyemo no ibintu ndabyishyuye byose.
Your favorite uncle, Sam.
Uncle wawe Sam niwe wabyishyuye.
I'm not gonna even ask.
Ntabwo ngongera kubaza. Byaba byiza kurushaho utambazije byinshi.
We'll clean up and we'll regroup.
Ati njye nubwo ngora CIA ntabwo nyankunda kugenda mu byakururu.
You know?
Yeah, we've been traveling for 15 hours.
Amasaha 15 ndi mu ndege.
Need to look our best where we're heading.
ati nabamvuye kumbazaho ngiye hose.
Thought you might want to take a shower.
Ati genda ukarabe nabindi.
I was being considerate.
Nagerageje rwose kworohera ariko.
Thanks.
Sawa Melis.
I guess I could use a shower.
Yewe ndakeka nyine gukoresha dushe. Turasubira.
Food. Make it quick.
Woga vuba nanjye gutanga komande y'igiporezo. Kava dushe. Sasa maniga nubwo abakorera CIA na bashaka kwambaza byinshi kumukurikirana by'ikirenga.
Yes, you got fries.
Wazanye n'udufiriti. Kobwa sanga uduporezo badutunganyije.
Veil?
Veil. Wamagara fail. Sasa hakuno. Veil ko yakaje ashaka kura kandi gakote arahindura. Zahano hamwe ku rusengero. Bisa nko hano hanari arahazi kuva na kera. Ko yaje ahasanga inshuti abavandimwe. Za mu rusengero nk'abandi bose. Mugenzi ahora yibuka abana ba mushuti. Atufite umuryango mwiza. Uncle Veil mwe dufata agafoto. Za kwibuka abana ba mushuti. Kandi niwe yagarutse aje no guhiga. Aza hakuno. Banza kurira mu rusengero. Katolike aruza kwicuza ibyaha ari wenyine aroba waje gusenga. Arangije.
This came in today. Highly secure package.
Atanya kwibuka ubwo bagarekana rero ngati ibi byaje uyu munsi byari mu gipfunyika. Arangije. Amuhereza. Ati ni stage irimbo wakundaga ni bandi. Wa diskete. Nanjye ari kintu nakuzaniye.
Grizzly Pines, Montana.
Ati abantu shaka tuzajya kwasohokera muri Montana. Ati ni ahantu heza. Ati ni mande y'amazi Ocean Front. Je yibuka bwa nyuma bari kumwe. Arangije. Avanayo ka telefoni. Padiri bitano nabari hakono. Nakabikira Maria nibwo yamanutse aramubwira ngo manika fata telefoni ayitsimba hakuno. Ibi nakora asa nkaho ari cyabiziho. Asiga telefoni mu rusengero. Asohoka tyo. Sasa nara abakire bahuriye benshi batandukanye. Nawe aragenda ahindura imyenda aragaruka zahandi. Gose hano baba bagurisha ibishushanyo bihambaye. Ni muri gallery. Yitonze.
Yeah, after Paris.
Argose ni byiza.
Sorry to interrupt, Doc.
Amwana kubabangamira.
Revival piece over here.
Argose hari ikintu ushaka kwereka piece yari ashaka kwikwereka rwose igishushanyo aramujyana.
CIA is killing journalists.
Umva isi yose ni make ko CIA ibirisha abanyamakuru.
You're out hobnobbing. Dead irresponsible, don't you think?
Ati nawe urabizi yuko CIA byanga byakunda ashaka kuba yagize uruhare. Umva bye byitwa guhuza ibintu. Arumudamu yaje akuna mukuramo.
What are you doing here?
Umva urakora icyana.
Great.
Ati nari nkumbuye kuza mbugira iki.
You don't look happy to see me, Ty.
Ariko Ty manzi utishimiye kumbona.
The police are still looking for you.
Polisi yabizi kina iracyaguhiga.
Oh, I don't think I'm in any danger of being outed in this crowd.
Ariko ndakeka ko bandi bantu benshi nabyo bitaneza ikibazo.
Unless you want to turn me in.
Tereka nawe urushaka kuntanga.
He suspects the US is running amok here.
Urabizi ko Costas arimo aratererana amagambo na leta ya Amerika.
One call.
Costas no ministry mpuzamahanga nako wubanye mpuzamahanga.
They name an island after me.
Wow. Foreign minister on speed dial. You've certainly moved up in the world since I last saw you.
Ati nabona sanga wazamutse mu byukora byose haro kwisiko ubwo kwa kubana ngari kwa rumeze.
I'm sure the agency would be interested to know you're back in town.
Ariko byanga byakunda agency naza kubimenya yuko wagarutse muri uyu mujyi.
I got a bigger trophy for them.
Ati nawe mafite impano ihambaye.
Victor Radek.
Mafite impano ya Victor Radek.
Radek is dead.
Radek yarapfuye.
Not anymore.
Nago yapfuye
He
kumwe.
believes he's the one behind his current PR problem.
Ati byanga byakunda nabantu bake nago ari benshi babiziko mu yagarutse muri agency.
O'Malley sent you.
Omale ni wakohereje.
Why aren't they sharing their intel?
I think there's a mole.
Nanaza kuki uri maragenda utangaza amakuru kuki batabivuga neza.
Radek's supposedly in possession of some doomsday intel.
Ati tanga byakora Radek niwe uri murakora ibintu bibi kujya byiturwe CIA.
You know what it is?
Uzi byari byo?
Well, you seem to know a lot more than I do.
Ariko ndakeka ushaka kubuza byinshi kurusha ibyo nzi.
It's pretty frustrating.
Aya nabyo bitangaje. Ariyo mpamvu uri hano.
I heard. Congrats.
Sa felicitation. Tai nayo barakoranaga. None bere yako nemara turagurisha za paint.
Radek and I used to throw cash to an offshoot gang when we needed dirty.
Turabizwe na Radek tugikora muri ganga imwe twakunaga rwose gushora amafaranga.
You've been gone too long.
Ariko mazije nawe udahari.
Stephanopoulos.
Atubude Stefano ni uyoboye.
No, he got.
Ese yaratunganye.
He runs the Bohem Club out on the beach.
Ati mugenzi wacu yagize ubwenge arekera kwikurura kuri CIA na MI6 ahitamo kujya kwikorera akazi ka buwate wafite amafaranga. Afite agabari kitwa Bohem Club hafi na beach. Arundi bakoranaga we yavuye mu kazi k'ubwamaneko aho yanga umahanganye na leta. Aza kwishingira buwate.
A long time.
Satai turasubira. Umva buretse gato.
If Costas finds out you're here, he'll make an example of you.
At Costas aramutse amenye kuri hano. Yakwica kudanga yereke abantu bose yuko atangiye guhangana se abakozi bayo bashyira hasi.
He's running his own investigation. Just
nawe arimo arayoboye iperereza ryo ku giti cye.
Wait until I get his next brief.
Basi tegereza mbere yo kubyinjira mu mbanze ngira ndi makuru namenya.
We can crack this together.
Ibintu twabikurikirana nje nabo.
You don't get to ask me to wait any more time.
Ati wa mugore nagusobanukije tegereza ikindi gihe. Nabikoze bwari mwe kwizera umugore nawe bundi. Na Delila na Eva. Arangije aza kuri ya beach ya Bohem. Hamwe ari boîte ya mushuti. Radek we yarabuze. Niwe baje guhiga. Veil ni uje kumuhiga. Mushuti wabo wundi wedo yishingiye boîte ibintu byo kujya kuba maneko. Abivamo ariko ngo karafashwe yibereye umukire. Ifite boîte hafi n'amazi. Zakure umuvandimwe. Ko yakaje hano bari ba bouncer.
Good juice, Dad.
Ya byiza kubona Stain.
Get yourself one of these.
It's Mr. Stephanopoulos now.
Bainta nyakuba Stephanopoulos.
Yes, I've been very fortunate.
Mani ni gitangaza ngo njya bro.
Some gambles that paid off. Since you disappeared.
Ati byinshi byarahindutse nyuma waburiye.
I didn't disappear.
Ntago nabuze mwana.
Just had other appointments to keep.
Ati nafite gahunda no ngomba gukemura zatumva muri akazi.
Where'd you go?
Wagiye hese.
I got married.
Mwana narashatse mfite umugore.
Spent the last 6 months on honeymoon.
Naragiye maramezi 6 ni muri honeymoon.
First Malaysia, then the Galapagos.
Nabanje kujya muri Malaysia. Mvayo muri Galapagos.
Even did a few weeks in Jawbone, Kentucky.
Najya no muri Kentucky naho marayo iminsi tukiri muri honeymoon. Kwezi kwa buki.
Well, congratulations are in order then.
Sawa felicitation brother. Ni byiza cyane.
Come on in, come on, sit down, have a drink.
Ngwene cyane hano utwa dusana zasangira ariko mwana. Baheruka na zamani.
I'm looking for Radek.
Mani niba nashaka Radek atajya ku ngingo.
Radek's dead.
Radek yarapfuye mwana.
You know that.
Kandi nawe urabizi.
You know what they say about Balkan men?
Ase akazi dukora nawe kazi mwana.
They never really die, they just smell that way.
Ati ntabwo yigeze apfa ahubwo byari byo gufenta abantu. Ariko aracitse.
Business looks good.
Kazi kawe karasa neza.
Too good for you to be doing this all alone.
Kandi birasa neza buri mwana agakora wenyine.
There's got to be a partner somewhere behind
Yanga byakunda ushaka kuba ufite umwunganizi.
No ropes. Just want to talk to him, that's all.
Ariko nashaka kuvuga n'uwo mwunganizi wawe.
What you already know.
Ase nakubwira ibyo uzi.
He's dead.
Yarapfuye.
Think about that then.
Mwana wimbeye cyane bizikubizi kari muzima.
Some small time punk you can just push around anymore.
Cyo nakubwira cyo na winyinjira cyane umwera akora rero cyo dukorana. Je no menya business wubashwe hano.
My word means something.
Amagambo mvuga bafite sobanuye.
You look the part.
Warebye ku ruhande.
Except your suit jacket's about 2 sizes too big.
Ati kuko wambara amakoti agukwiye naga arengeje ingano yawe.
Here's a tip, guys. You're gonna leave the top 4 buttons open. You might as well not wear the shirt. Judging by the cigar smoke, you still don't know a cohiba from.
Atukuna rwose gucira imanza ifite zasiga mu ntoki zawe. Bigaragaza agasuzuguro k'ikirenga.
Button up, jump thug.
Atusibyo kana nje binatwaye.
But daddy's at work.
Ariko menye ko uyu munsi papa ari mu kazi. Akabaye waragumya buri mwana.
Because now that you're back,
kuko ubu ngubu nje nago najya kujya inyuma ngo nagushyigikije ndamufashe.
It's going to be hard for you to leave again.
Biraza kukomerera kuba wakongera ukavana amahoro. Sasa nawe aba munsi wabonye umuntu uri kwegera boss cyane. Babara hafi bacungira hafi.
You might as well have that drink now.
Inywera inzoga yawe wicomo. Ndo mfashe guhiga umuntu. Ntago byavamo.
Since I have no choice.
Ngo namahitamo mfite. Deka ninywere nyine na heza yize. Kumbe sasa uyu nawe ana master bava mahoro. Mugenzi we yanza kugira cyamufasha. Tangira ari nambara. Asenzi sana. Bose barakoreraga. Baba umsa. Musirikare. Soja boy. Bijanya byo. Nashaje ariko. Ago. Kagabo karakomeye. Box. Bijanya byo. Asenze sana. Aba abandi basore. Binago bimukanga. Zinambara arazimenyereye. Yitonze. Yari chupa. Sino. Mwene umutwa musenzi we. Yasa mu kirere. Abaturage abanza birukange. Mwanda. Sasa ibi. Nabyo birahuruza polisi. Kiraje. Na magazine irimo. Wa msanzu urumupfu. Urumupfu wa msanzu mumushaka sha. Muzana imayiti. Maniga aratangira. Maniga aratangira kintu igitsi. Bamukurikiza amasasu. Kaga kobwa nako. Injira mu modoka. Gaba mu modoka butoya. Bamukurikiza amasasu ngo cyagitutse.
What the hell, Vale?
Vale ari mu biki?
This is a rental. Who was that back there?
The
worst spy ever.
There
are protocols. You can't just
dust. Trust me, it's for your own protection.
Please. You're lucky that I was.
Tell for my tools. Give me your phone.
Why?
That's how you're tracking me, right?
No.
I found your bug. Give it to me. Nice. Hey.
Look, if I'm gonna help you, you're gonna need to help me too. Fill in the blanks. The file says that Radek went rogue. What happened?
The go-between, the Greek and Russian mafia. In reality, he was performing assignments. For us.
Assignments, like that hit on Boris Papa?
The
guy from the picture.
That's right. He joined the CIA to get asylum for his wife and daughter, but his cousin got blown and the Russians killed his family.
I saw the photos.
Radek became unhinged. He went on a revenge tour. Slaughtering Russians all over Greece, anyone he thought was
So that's when the CIA ordered you to take him out?
I was asked to track him down and neutralize him. I thought I did. Anything else?
No. Actually, yes. How the fuck did you know that I was allergic to dogs?
Akoze ngo bazamenya gute ko nange mbwa.
Single woman, you're
Umugore udafite umugabo se uje mu myaka yawe udafite n'imbwa bagendana.
You know I'm single.
Asomenya gute ko ndi single.
lucky guess.
No wasana na tomboza da. Sasa kaguryi karaha. Sasa hakuno. Abuko baraha. Agenda basigiye kuri CIA bakira ubutumwa bugufi. Ubutumwa buza mu buryo bw'ibanga.
Torture, genocide.
Ati yabo kubabaza cyangwa genocide.
Civilians murdered.
Abasivile bagiye bicwa.
Governments toppled through violent insurrection.
Ata mama leta tandukanye yagiye yica arimo na CIA yagiye yica abantu mu bihugu bitandukanye.
Crimes committed not by your enemies.
Ati benshi bagiye bakora ibyaha bikitirirwa abanzi banyu.
But by the US itself.
Ariko byose byakorwaga by the US itself. Byakorwaga na leta ya Amerika ubwayo. Bakajya mu gihugu bakagitezamo intambara kubera ko bashaka kucyambura kugikuraho ubukungu runaka peteroli essence bikitirirwa ko ari abene gihugu bateje iyo ntambara kandi leta ya Amerika. Ubutumwa rwabwereje CIA.
For decades the world has turned a blind eye out of fear and profit.
Ati mu myaka irenga 20 yagiye ibaho intambara yaragiye ibyara ubwoba ariko urundi ruhande ibabyarira inyungu.
But what happens when your allies learn that you've been doing the same to them?
Ati nabari inshuti zanyu ibyabayeho n'ibyabaye kuba arabanzi banyu ko leta ya Amerika yakoranaga n'Ubwongereza na Australia bakagenda bagateza intambara mu bihugu ariko leta ya Amerika yaranze ikagambanira Ubwongereza na Australia.
To prevent this, I demand payment of
ariko kugira ngo ibitu bihagarike bitazajya hagaragara ndasaba leta ya Amerika
100 million
ko bama miliyoni 100 z'amadolari bakandi bakazima mu ma bitcoin mbere yuko kiriya amavideo hanze kandi ntago mugomba murakurikiza amabwiriza yanjye hari wabahaye ubutumwa bamwe miliyoni 100 z'idolari cyangwa avuga ibyo leta ya Amerika yagiye ikora nk'ibyabaye kwa Gada kwa Saddam Hussein muri 2003 bakabeshe ko ari ibisasu bya kirimbuzi kumbe barashaka kujya gukora iki kwiguhindura leta ziriho kwiba peteroli amavuta ibintu nk'ibyo kumbe dore maniga nijoro ko hagatashye barakoranaga we yishingiye imbari.
You're sure this guy's working with Radek?
None soce kuyu musore akurimo arakora na Radek. Kimwe abwiye cyakoraga mu kabari ati byanga byakunda kubukora karo kabari. Ntago agakora uri wenyine ufite uri kuri inyuma. Ntago uyu musenzi ubune bwagiraga dukora namwira ngo yashinze imbari ikomeye kuriya ari we wenyine. Afite umufasha. Do maniga ni gikapu cya kirimo dukoresha utwe.
Should we be following him?
Akora ngo twakabe twamukurikiye. Ntago nakwata ku muntu nkuriya muri public. Byanga byakunda agomba gusiga ibimenyetso inyuma.
Okay. Let's toss this place up and see what we can work with.
Binja mu nzu ya maniga.
I'll take the office.
Ndeka yanjye muri biro ye. Ntago umuntu wabura uri cakarafu. Ugenda ukore akabari nka kariya. Karimo na bwate gakomeye kugeza hariya ntawe ukuri inyuma.
Anything?
Arakintu bonye. Kaza kuri laptop ya maniga muri office ye.
Photos and a map of Emporio Square downtown.
Atano hari amafoto rwose nimo nabona ku ikarita ariko afite ahure na gace ka Emporio Square downtown. Maniga nawaza hakuno agize gutya bona hano ku matafari harano hagiye ahongoka kaya mubyandiko bya mutipe uyu nawe aya matafari yahongotse aya matafari yihongoye niyo mpamvu yitwaza iki umwiko tangira akazi kawe muko ugenda gacu navuge make akazu kinjemo tugasaziyemo enda pole pole gira gutya kiri umwiko ku ruhande chomora mitafari nta n'umuntu ntago ryari rifashe rangije itafari ryari riri ndane harimo ibyandiko gitonze ukobwa na waje kureba bane bujaje mu kazi abagabo bazo batsimba boro bagize gutya babona telefone wa mudamu umunyamakuru kazopfuye Greta arashwe na Radek.
The journalist that was murdered in Thessaloniki.
Uyu mudamu umunyamakuru w'umugiriki w'umudage wapfiriye muri Thessaloniki.
That goes me lost.
Batangiye kuri bano nyubako ya State House. Reba hano.
The next target.
Cyangwa ino target yabo ikurikira. pakira imiryango mvere gukinguka pakira vuba pakira tuva tugende apagasi barinjira hagari boss winjire igipagasi mona rarushye munirwe mu ntambara apagasi ashyira igikote hasi kare bamukomye itafari ry'agahanga za hakuno fata icyo kunywa nta mutima mwe ntazi ko inzu yinjiyemo n'abandi kare kiraho harajya yumvica ariko sinzi kora kumuhumetsa yivanayo yitonze mugabo vuba gipagasi nacyo barisaza kiramukoma musore kuri vie musaza hasi fata icupa kirakomeye mugabo yewe mutwe ku rukuta cyewe datawe nakubwiye nawe rubanda barabamaka mutunga imbunda nakurasa urandaza muko
Stop.
Reka tuganire nakobwa kiragakoma amusanzi kigabo kirakomeye wa ruzingo rw'umwonjo akobwa datawe mana we barayifata baragigira nawe uva kwizima job iraha kazi nakubwiye akazi kaba nimero nawe ujye ukavamo kabunda ku ruhande kivana y'umushyo waganda gusiramura nta kinya wa musenzi we biriya byo bange biriya aragenda ufata imico ushaka turwane shira nawe kivanayo fata kuma gato akuma wagira ngo ni kuto kigabo yaho nangeje baragigira yagifata akaboko kiramuniga yawe bagenoki senzi sha yaho yariri ingumi mwanda baga hose nabumva nabi bati josi yayi wai data we sara sentire byera mu josi ukandara kigaba maso nanjye ndafatana umwiko data we ayiga data we mwiko mu josi ayiwe iyo mpamvu nta kitagutabara data we umwiko yazanye agakobwa kabisuzugura Kate ese neza ewe harya twaryamye sanga yakubise hasi karahwera
Did you take your medicine?
Wanywe imiti yawe nibwo katindira mu ijobu nika kazi kamera
300 hours of field training.
Ati rwose amasaha magana ngahe
of field training.
Ati rwose amasaha arenze magana 3 nagiye ntsindwa imyitozo.
It's never happened to me before.
Hage ibintu byize bimbaho kuva na mbere.
What, sneeze?
Uko maguru gwa?
No.
Oh yeah.
That wasn't my fault.
Ay mavu nitsamuraga no kubera yari imbwa.
See one.
Ndabibona.
I froze.
Mana nageza unanahwera. Mba nk'ikinya muri cyo nkora.
Bill, you could have been killed.
Mana wakabaye wanapfuye. Gatata mama jenge yarwanyizo muri Iraq, Afghanistan.
It'll be the first time.
Umuratwe ntago ari ubwa mbere. Kibubwira neza.
It'll be the first time.
Uri twe ntago ari ubwa mbere mada. Bitwa binyuzanyuzemo.
Beat yourself up about it.
Umura nawe niyo nzira nyine watangiye. Kugira ngo tukabeje mugira amasura yacu nyasaga neza. Sa muntu sura se ni ibikovu.
Do you ever get desensitized by it all?
Ese ujya wumva base
yet.
Nibikuje nabinje na. Baragukoma ukagera ukabikinya ukiyakira ugasanga usura n'urwirungu eje gasa Jone ni Patricio mwabaye imbunda bwa mbere agera naho.
Found out where Lego's been lost for me later.
Ati ugeze yavumbuye abo nyene bandi bari.
The next target.
Yavumbuye indirade kagiye guca the next target.
Where?
Hehe.
I'll give you one guess.
Oh muranda gwa rwose ndaguye ikimenyetso. Tugaruka mugeze Emporio Square. Aho ngo Radek ashobora kongera gutera handi. Bwatinze. Kumbe. Ba nimero. Baba hageze kare naho yashizemo agakote. Wa mugenzo no mwaya makuru. Zayitonze.
Did a quick perimeter check.
Ya rwose ukomeza ucunge angire uriho.
Sleep in his car.
Rwose rapolisi baryamye mu modoka nta kimenyetso cya Radek na kimwe ndabona.
Should we warn Melis? He could be in danger.
Wasanga ari mu byago sasa umukobwa yegera nkuje gurano bwa magazini.
Want to spook Radek.
Ndashaka kuza kuvuga na Radek kumbe Radek nawe bagize ba nimero be kare. Patricio nawe rwose yana naba makuru do ba nimero baruzuye.
Can smell his indigestion.
Chema rwose ndareba kunanywa gakawa nimo nabihumurirwa. Arimo aranywa espresso. Kumbe na Radek abasore babahageze kare. Bose ni kuri ba nimero. Arangije maniga ari telefone yakiriye. Telefone yamuhamagara akuramo earpiece yavuganaga n'umukobwa ashyiramo indi.
12 Apostle Church always was your favorite drop.
Atizere yuko padiri ku rusengero telefone aho nayisize wayibonye. Kumbe ya telefone yashyize mu rusengero wa munsi agikina mu bugiriki. Yasaga nkaho hari umuntu ayiteze ngo aza kwitora.
I love the frescoes.
Ati byiza cyane ndabikunda uburyo ukiba akazi kacu.
Even at dinner with some of the monks.
Uribuka igihe twagiye gusangira ibiryo bya nijoro tugiye kubirira mu Monko muri restaurant y'Abashinwa.
Kimi plans kokinisto.
Tidago nibukaga bya biryo bya Crenso ukibyibuka.
Protocol.
Ariko ibyo ntago bijyanye na protocol.
Something we were always very good at.
Kumbu wari kuvugana ni Radek. Ya telefone yasize mu rusengero yashaka mugenzi waze kuza itore.
I meant for the monks.
Ati byo nakoze nabikoze kubwa Monko.
They shouldn't be eating past midday.
Ariko rwose ntago akaba yari amasaha zitazarenze.
Surprised.
Ariko mazi tungwe no kuba nkwamagaye.
Seeing as I'm supposed to be dead and all.
Kuko nawe wari ubizi ko napfuye byarangiye. Sasa uzi umuntu uje guhiga waragerageje kumwica bikanga.
Surprised isn't the word I'd use.
Ara kuba ntungwe ntago aryo jambo akaba yikoresha. Urarakaye.
I'm confused, Victor.
Abo nacanganyiciwe.
Deal.
Twarumvikanye.
I let you go, you disappear.
Kumvikanye sasa uyu ntago yishe mugenzi je CIA yamutumaga ngo agende yica Radek. Abwo arambwiye ngo cika ntuzagaruke ko bari inshuti magara. Sasa arambwiye ati we had a deal twarumvikanye. I let you go, you disappear. Narakuretse ngo ugende kandi ugende rimwe na rizima ubure.
Deal. I let you go, you disappear.
Narakuretse ugende ubure burundu.
Forever.
Ngo ubure burundu ntuzagaruke forever. Sasa yanze kwica inshuti magara. Hano ni sasa murabizi by'abagira ibintu by'Imana babiri imbere. Hano abari imyigaragambyo y'urudaca. Nabagena mu bigaragambye. Sasa nare nabo bandikiraga Radeki. Kobwa bagenda inyuma.
Veil, I'm blind. What do you see?
Veil nta kintu ndimo ndabona. Kumbe Veil yakuyemo kaka earpiece wavuganiragaho. Arimo aravuga na Radeki. Sasa nare ababigaragambya. Veil arimo aramagana Veil ntago mwumva. Umukobwa atangira gushaka mugenzi we kumbe arimo aravuga na Radeki.
Go away.
Ntabwo nigeze ncika. Nacize igihe gito.
No but feel.
Ariko nanjye ntabwo nari butuze.
Word you used.
Hasi ukunda ko shire jambo.
Confused. You see, we never did find out who blew me.
Ati nabizi neza n'ubwo wakora ibyo ukora byose ntabwo apfa kumbona.
And I hate mysteries.
Kandi nanga ibintu bitungurana.
Nature needed to scratch.
Ukenda akantu gato kare gukobore gasanga kwangura.
Unscratched.
Nobone nakobotse kare isura yangiritse.
Don't feel old to me.
Kuri je mba numva utarasaza cyari umusore nka kera ko twakoraga akazi. Agakobwa karimo karacamana bigaragambya. Ano ara bari barapfa ibya byo bapfa. Nikumva nayo ntaranyurwa. Ntago natize igihe kinini mbere yuko nayo najya gutunga intoki abazinunze ariyo agency CIA.
That's not possible.
Ntago bishoboka.
I would have known about it.
Nakabaye nagize icyo bimenyaho.
You did.
Ariko ntacyo wakoze.
Maybe that's why.
Wasanga nayo menye n'igikerenzaho.
Philadelphia.
niyo mpamvu nayo nohereje inshuti zanjye zimwe na zimwe.
Why would the agency blow your cover?
none n'icyatumye agency igutamaza.
You know why.
nawe impamvu urayizi.
One little assignment we learned.
hari akazi kamwe nahawe katigeze karangira.
Even if that's true, Victor.
ariko Victor jya gura n'ukuri.
What you're doing isn't right.
ibyo ukora ntabwo ari byo, ntabwo ari byiza.
I mean blackmail.
ubijya byo gukora mu buryo bw'ubucece.